Welcome, grade 9, 10, and 11. I am Mrs. Jeanette Johnson, and I will be your English language teacher for the school year 2020-2021. In order to have a successful classroom, a class must have a motto. And for this year, our motto will be, "There is no progress without struggle," penned by the renowned writer Frederick Douglass. Also, in order to have success, a successful classroom must have tools. And for our tools, we will have a dictionary, our language text, an interest reading book, notebook, pens, and pencils. Further, in order for us to achieve great success, we must have classroom guidelines in our virtual classrooms. So, the first one is set up your class in a place which is free from distractions. Exit other applications on your computer before entering class. Dress appropriately. Use your full name to sign into the class. Turn on both audio and video when you enter the class. Mute microphone during the lesson to avoid disturbing the class. Use the raise your hand button when you have a question or comment. Use the chat to facilitate conversations around the lesson topic and not social interaction. At the end of the class, leave the classroom by closing the Zoom window. Further, I am sure that you will have a lot of questions to ask outside of the class. So you can contact me in two ways: by email, missj.johnson@gmail.com, and telephone me at 698-2481. And lastly, don't give up. The words of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow reminds us that lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. I am sure that we are going to leave a lot of footprints on the sands of time for the school year 2020-2021.